Paslode angled second fix. Night. Motor starts, but she's not firing. Gas is undid. Get on there, see what the crack is. That's something straight away. She's not come back. So she's dry. No oil left in that at all. Bone dry. So this chamber's not dropping back again. So the springs inside must be gone. There's an internal component called the yoke. There's 2 springs on it. Those springs must be broken. The whole yoke is broken actually. This is the yoke. This Y-shape piece here attaches onto your tool probe. It's completely failed. That'll need to be replaced. Right. You need the heat to get them 2 screws out correctly. They're on there tight. There's still nails on here too. She's well gummed up. Chamber's the same, bone dry. Pan's okay. Everything else is alright. Just dirty. We'll give us a good clean, get it under the parts washer, wash it all down, scrub it, every single last piece. Only thing we need to change is this here yoke. Hopefully anyway. Now, need to replace this yoke, and it is actually called a yoke. Great name for it. Support that bar, knock out this wee roll pin. Don't want to knock it out completely, just so that you can get that bar out. That's it. And on this, you've got a pointed end and a round end. This side there is rounded, and this yoke is marked round side up. It has to go on that way. Simple as that. It's a common one to break is the yoke in these here second fix guns. They won't spring back properly when they start to break.